Tony, this one is for you to get scale. So there's my house up there, and the bit of land that goes all the way to the end of the road. And then this, all the way down, is the bird enclosure. So this is me trying to get them to go to bed, because as you can see, the sun is going down. Eva, Mrs. Grey Goose, has still got a bit of bandage on her neck. Yes, Rocky. So this is where I set the trap for the fox. Put some cat food in it. No takers. So yeah, so that's almost the end of my land. It actually carries on into that little forest there in a triangle. And then here is where old Mr. Fox has been running up and down the bank. You can see all the scratch marks and all the garlic that I threw around the other day, because apparently they don't like garlic. So yeah, it's a rather large enclosure. Oops. Wall on this side, so I'm going to definitely build up the fence here, obviously over maybe this high, try and stop him from jumping in. Right, let's get these marauding birds to bed. Come on then, kids. Let's go, Diego. Good boy. I think the chooks have already took themselves in. Ooh, careful. Jesus, Reggie. Get your butt in bed. Thank you. Right, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Poor little Eva. Now the troublesome duo. Just put the padlock on. Now these two normally take a bit of time to sort their shit out and go to bed. So for now they're in the shed, in the hay shed. Cool then. That's another bloody bandage. Go on then. Be nice. And this has been taking about 3 or 4 attempts to get them in. I think they just prefer it to be getting darker before they go to bed. Come on then. It's very subtle. Come on then, keep going. Yes. Oh my God, is it going to be a first time? Both in one go. Oh my God. Come on then, Diego. Come on. Go on then. Don't fly off. Go on then. Follow Dottie in the shed. Go on, lad. Your missus is waiting for you. Come on. Bedtime. No. Don't even think about it. Up the ramp. Good boy. Good boy. Oh my God. That's like... No! No! I spoke too soon. Come on, Dottie, because he's going to run out now as well. Oh, you knobhead. What's up with you? You're normally the good one. Come on, kid. Let's go. Straight. Stay there. You stay there. Well done. Okay. Oh, yes. Night, night. Okay. Be good. All right. Back to the office.